Hi, my name is Joe. Joe Cates. I'm the medical consultant here at PAI We Grow Hair. I've been in this industry most of my working career. I can't imagine doing anything else. I have done other things. But what I love most about this industry is it's helping people achieve their goals, their expectations, helping people look and feel younger and more confident. I started experiencing hair loss in my mid to late 30s. It's something that ran on both sides of my family. I knew it was coming. So I had started doing treatment way back in the day when there was just laser combs and basically Rogaine. I started losing the battle with that. So I actually wore a hairpiece for a while. It's probably the worst decision I ever made because I stopped using all of my treatments and I started to look more and more like my family. I wound up with just, probably 80% of the hair on top being gone. So in October of 2016, I decided to move forward with a surgical transplant. Probably 65% of the hair I have is actually transplanted hair, and it's changed my life. Love to see people change. Not only their hair, that's the thing that they come in for. But when you've done this as long as me, you actually see that you change people's lives. When I do consultations, people come in, they're either very standoffish or they're very worried that we can't help them at all. A lot of times they're a little depressed, they're just kind of soft-spoken. And one of the things that you see through this process that I love the most is as we move along, people start to get their hair back. They also gain their confidence. They gain a little swagger, they get a little louder when they talk, and that is a great thing to enrich someone's life that way. So it's not just the hair. I get to see the whole transformation. Love working here. I've been in this industry for a long time. This is not the only hair clinic that I've ever worked for or medical clinic that I've ever worked for. But our team here is truly a team. We all watch out for each other. We all help each other. The number one thing that we do that I love the most is we all concentrate on our patients, which is the most important thing we could possibly do. Love our surgeons. I mean, as I've said, I've been in this industry for a while. I actually chose to have my surgical procedure done here at our medical clinic. And the reason why is because of the surgeons. They only do hair, that's all they concentrate on, and they're really, really good at it. I can't imagine working anywhere else. I mean, it's just a great environment. Everything is positive. We're always moving forward. It's something that you kind of look forward to. I've known Michael Ramsey for probably 10 or 12 years. He's someone that I always wanted to work for because I know that patients come first with him. He's probably one of the most ethical men that I've ever met in my life, and I'm very blessed that he has given me this opportunity. It's important to help people get their hair back because in some cases it helps people get their lives back. It's just a great feeling.